Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you know, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to show you how I use lactic acid to get rid of hyperpigmentation on my knees. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I need to start from a very clean skin. I have cleaned my knees. I'll come in with a warm towel and pass it over my knees to help relax the area and kind of open up the pores. So in this video, I'll be using a 90% concentration of lactic acid. I got this from Amazon. You can check it out. I'll just put it on a cotton disc. Next, I'll rub it gently on my knees. I'll do this in a circular motion. This will last for about 30 seconds. I'll leave the acid on my knees for about 2 minutes. So after everything, look at how dirty the cotton disc looks. I mean, I have cleaned my knees and it's super clean, but it still got rid of hyperpigmentation. After about 2 minutes, I'll just go ahead, rinse it off and wipe it clean with a warm towel. Next, I'll come in with a natural oil. In this video, I'm using the coffee oil. I'll just rub it gently on my knees. So basically, this is how I get rid of hyperpigmentation on my knees. I do this once a month. I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes up for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye!